Good morning, Pre-K1.
Good morning, Pre-K1.
We're about to do our phonics song. Let's get ready to learn. A is for apple, apple.
B is for ball,
Ball. C is for cat, cat. D is for dog,
dog.
Let me hear those dogs. Woo, 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 woo. E is for elephant, elephant. F is for fish, fish. G is for gorilla, gorilla. H is for helicopter, helicopter. I is for igloo, igloo. J is for jet, jet. K is for kite, hold those kites, kites. L is for lion, lion. Roar! I want to hear those lions. M is for mittens, mittens. N is for numbers, numbers. O is for octopus, octopus. P is for pig, pig. Let me hear those pigs. Q is for quilt, quilt. R is for rabbit, rabbit. S is for sun, sun. T is for toothbrush, toothbrush. U is for umbrella, umbrella. V is for Valentine, Valentine. W is for wagon, hold those wagons, wagon. X is for x-ray, x-ray. Y is for yo-yo, yo-yo. Z is for zebra, zebra. So many things for you to learn about, so many ways to sing the song. So many things for you to learn about, so many ways to sing the song. Practice with your friends and family.
Every day.
We love you.
Mwah.
Who sank the boat? Beside the sea on Mr. Peffer's place there lived a cow, a donkey, a sheep, a pig, and a tiny little mouse. They were good friends, and one warm sunny morning, for no particular reason, they decided to go for a row in the bay. Do you know who sank the boat? Can you predict who do you think sank the boat? Was it the cow who almost fell in when she tilted the boat and made such a din? No, it wasn't the cow who almost fell in. Do you know who sank the boat? Was it the donkey who balanced her weight, who yelled, "I'll get in at the bow before it's too late"? Do you think it's the donkey who's gonna tip the boat? No, it wasn't the donkey who balanced her weight. Do you know who sank the boat? Was it the pig, as fat as butter, who stepped in at the side and caused a great flutter? No, it wasn't the pig as fat as butter. Do you know who sank that boat? Oh, was it the sheep who knew where to sit to level the boat so that she could knit? Do you think that sheep's gonna make that boat? No, it wasn't the sheep who knew where to sit. Do you know who then sank that boat? Was it the little mouse, the last to get in, who's the lightest of all? Could it be him? Do you know who sank the boat? Can you tell me who sank the boat? What adventure would you want to go in that boat? Was it the mouse? Bye, pre-K1. Have a great day. Love you guys.